and welcome to Khmer Healthy Cooking. Today we're gonna cook a fresh vegetable sandwich.
What are the ingredients that we have?
We have red onion, mushroom, lettuce, light bread, cucumber, tomato sauce, salt, soy sauce, garlic.
Do we do first?
First we heat oil. Put the oil. We put the garlic. Can you pass mushroom for me? Pass the onion. And we keep until little dry. Add tomato sauce. Add salt. Add soy sauce. Now the mushroom is cooked. Now time to make a sandwich. We put a tomato. Now the sandwich is finished. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and chào tạm biệt.